Okay, hello folks, welcome to Luster's Custom Truck Shop. Wayne D. in Indiana. This is your less common improved Magnum-1. I wanted to show you, you are the first radio to get the new filter upgrade. Okay. Now has matched set of filters in it, giving you a bandwidth of plus or minus 7.5. Okay, so it's 15 kilohertz wide, like the ones I get for the other radios, but this, it takes two to do this one. All right, let me show you what I'm talking about. We are on channel 1, and I'm going to slide up and see how far up we can go before it cuts out the receive. You see it starting to drop there now. At 972 it's almost gone. 973 is completely gone. So that's 8 kcs up. And if the receiver wasn't so hot on this radio, we'd probably lose it before then. Okay, and I got this thing set for 100 microvolts at 30% modulation. That equals an S9, the regular channel. But it's totally gone 8 kcs up. And that's what you want. You know, when you get to 975 or channel 2, you don't want to hear what's going on or get bleed over from channel 1. So those new matched dual filters take care of that problem for you. Well, even at 5 up, it knocks it down 2 dB. Or no, it knocks it down 3 dB at 5 kcs up. That's really going to help with bleed over. Okay, like I said, yours was the first radio to get this. I ordered special filters for it. They come in matched pairs, which is what this board was designed for. You notice this filter here, this one is normally empty. Okay, you just have the one behind it there, which was a 25 kilohertz wide filter. And with this new filter in there and the new combo filters in there, it's now 15 kilohertz wide. Okay, here's the old filter here. So the new ones are going to cost a little extra, but I needed to check them out, so your radio gets them for free. Okay? Alright, I'm getting ready to do some power checks. I've got all of the improvements done. You can see that I've got the hot glue on the jumpers. Okay, the option 3 has been done. Got the hot glue on the parts that they've added back here. I've increased the buffer filter capacitance from 1000 microfarad to 3300 on both the voltage regulator buffer filter and also the DC input buffer filter, so you get more filtering for that. Alright, and I've already went through and done all my tune. That's what these little black marks on these VRs are, showing me which way they're turned. Okay, more to come. Okay, let's do some power checks here. I'm set on AM on channel 1. Both meters have 100 watt slugs in them. Haven't changed them quite a while. I like that combination. I'm on the ×1 position, so we're going to be reading on the bottom scale on both meters. Okay, bottom scale on both meters. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test audio 1 2. Okay, that's on the AM. See what it dead keys on FM. Dead keying right at 40 watts on FM. Okay. Let's go to sideband. I'm on lower sideband. Let's get on channel 38. Well, nope. Let's go ahead and stay on. Well, no, actually, it would be better if I did a comparison on the channel that you normally talk sideband on. Hang on a second. Okay, I think my microphone's got a loose wire or something. I was keying it and it wasn't keying. But I use it on a dozen of these radios already. So I'm on lower sideband. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, audio, audio, audio. So we're seeing right around 60, maybe 65 watts on sideband. And what were we doing on RMS? Audio. About 50 watts RMS. Okay. All right. Let me get the covers put on it. And it's got to go through the burn-in. But I'll go ahead and get the video done up and everything so that you can see it. All right. More to come. Okay, folks, welcome back. Mr. Wayne has opted for the FQP 13N10s. There are the old 520s out of the radio. And let's see how much of a change that did on the power. I'll take solder out of the way. I don't want it dropping over in the back of the radio. Anyway, same setup. Meter on the left is RMS. Meter on the right is peak. Still got the 100 watt slugs in them. I'm on, what am I on? I'm on the lower side of 38. Audio, 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 audio. That's about 90 watts. Audio, and about 60 watts RMS. That's on sideband. Let's go to AM. Let's see, what did it do? Okay, FM is still set for 40 watts. Let's go to channel 1 on the AM. That's where I did the test earlier. So dead key in about 24 watts. Audio, 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 audio. That's right, folks. That's a little over 90 watts. I'd say about 92. Somewhere in there. Audio, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, audio test. So, getting a little more out of it. That's all. Let's see what it does here. Hello, audio, audio. About the same. The radio is balanced out really well. These Magnums, boy, they love these damn 13N10s. They work extremely well with them. And I can put my hand on the back of it here. It's not hot. Even the regulator there on the side is not hot. A lot of times that regulator will burn the shit out of you if you reach around there and touch it after you've been transmitting on AM. But I got my hand laying right on it, just cool. Not cool, okay, but it's not hot. It's just warm. All right. Hello, audio, hello. Hello, audio, audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio, hello, hello, audio. That's That's 96, 98 watts right there. All right. Mark, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 7.3s, everybody. I've been meaning to show you guys how thick these damn covers are. Look at that. Can you see that? Is the camera focusing on that? I hope it is. This is some really thick covers. Okay, and look at the sides of these radios. And not that thin stamped shit that you see on a lot of the other China-made radios, Malaysia-made radios. This stuff is thick. Hear that cover? That's solid. All right, more to come. Okay, Mark in Indiana. Mark D in Indiana. I have to apologize to you because I think I've been calling you Wayne on the video. I had Wayne on the brain, I guess. I had worked on 2 orders from Wayne's earlier in the day. This is your Magnum-1, Mark. It is the one with the dual 10.7 filters in it for the narrowed bandwidth, the increased channel rejection. It's also the one that got the FQP 13N10s installed. That I've already done that. They're in here. That was your power output on the meter that I showed. I just misspoke. Called you Wayne, and I should have called your name is Mark. Of course, you know that. Okay. Now that that's out of the way, here's your radio, Mark. Outstanding. It is one of the nicest ones that I've done yet. That channel rejection is outstanding. I think you're going to love it. Now, unfortunately, that filter, those dual filters, are for FM and AM only. The sideband filter is that big square can you see in there, which is already more narrow than the AM filters to begin with. Okay, so we really don't need to do anything to the sideband filter. But the AM filter, AM-FM filters, they leave a lot to be desired. They're 25 kilohertz wide, which means 12.5 kcs up and 12.5 kcs down. Well, channel spacing is only 10 kcs. So the cutoff is after you get to the next channel. But with these new narrower filters on there, the cutoff is way before you get to it. It's about 8 up, 8 down realistically, before it's totally cut off. It should be 7.5 up, 7.5 down, but because of the nature of the beast, it's 8 up and about 8 down. All right, but that's still going to cut out a lot of bleed over. Okay. All right, she's all done, ready to go. Be sure and read your manual. There's a lot of good information in there. This radio has a lot of features. A lot of features. Okay. All right, Mark in Indiana. I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 73s, everybody.